Welcome to our channel of Postmortems. Today we are going to look at production incidents of GitHub inc. Do you know how a 43-second network partition disrupted GitHub infrastructure? In October 2018, GitHub's US East Coast data center lost connection with the network for just 43 seconds. This brief disruption was enough to trigger GitHub's automated database management tool, Orchestrator, which switched the US West Coast data center as the new primary, assuming the East Coast servers were down. While the West Coast data center became the primary, the East Coast center continued handling user rights, unaware of the failover due to the brief network split. This created two active primaries, each handling separate user requests, which is known as a split-brain scenario. When the network partition ended, both data centers had unique, independent changes. Merging them would risk data loss or introducing outdated information. To protect the data, GitHub engineers had to carefully identify and reconcile every conflicting record across the centers. This is how it looked like. GitHub engineers couldn't simply bring both data centers back online without risking data loss or inconsistency. They had to manually and meticulously merge data, keeping only the most recent and correct entries. Check the screen for the steps to fix the incidents. Since GitHub serves millions of users and stores billions of records, reconciling data across such a massive platform required extensive checks at each step to prevent further issues. Though the network partition lasted just 43 seconds, it took over 24 hours to restore GitHub's full functionality. Let's go through the learnings and improvements. Modify Orchestrator to avoid promoting database primaries across regional boundaries, as cross-country latency contributed to the issue. Implement a proactive approach to testing, especially around network partitions, to break the assumptions of the team. Subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos of real-world engineering.